Introducing Amoco's Attachment and Moisture Management System for stucco and thin veneer stone. Begin by building a sheathed structure using wood or steel framing. Amoco's foundation weep screed is attached to the base of the wall using approved fasteners. Apply windowsill flashing according to codes and industry standards. Apply Amoco window and door drip edge above windows and doors and on horizontal junctures of stucco and stone. Ensure that all windows and doors are flashed according to codes and industry standards. Apply self-adhesive flashing over the foundation weep screed and over the vertical flange of the window and door drip edge at transitions. Apply a code-approved layer of WRB lapping over the flange of the weep screed and window and door drip edges. Sill flashing should lap over the WRB. Fasten Amoco casing bead below window and door drip edge at stucco and stone junctures. Amoco one-piece control joints control cracking during the curing process. These should be wire-tied in place to allow movement. Amoco's exclusive Easy Bead casing bead is installed around openings in one continuous placement. Place 2 cuts in the window and door drip edge and bend as shown. Where walls meet soffits, install an Amoco casing bead at the intersection. For stucco soffits, use Amoco stucco soffit vents combined with Amoco riblath as shown. For vinyl, wood, or fiber cement soffits, use Amoco Easy Bead at the intersection of the wall and soffit. Amoco's self-furred paperback tie lath is applied in a shiplap manner, allowing for moisture to move down and out the base of the wall. When using paperback lath, lath overlaps lath and paper overlaps paper. Install lath so that when moving one's hand in a downward motion, it is smooth compared to rough when moving upward. Install Amoco corner bead at external corners, positioning outward to allow for consistent thickness of the stucco. Once all accessories and lath are in place, the stucco and thin veneer stone can then be installed. This system allows any moisture that enters the wall to drain down the tie lath and exit out of the wall at the weep screed. For more information on system components, contact an Amoco representative or visit us online at amocoglobal.com.